Recording options இருக்கும் பாருங்க.
Already you are recording, sir.
Okay,
I hope
all
so.
right.
Already recording.
All right, let's start. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. It's nice to see you for all the travel fraternity peoples, and once again after COVID. And today I'm going to talk about the challenging topic right now. And before that, I just introduce myself. I am Halagiri Swami from digitalvaishu.com. I'm being a tour operator and now it's converted as a tourism digital marketer. So that the way that the challenging is also affect everyone and of course me too. But I have changed my channel to digital marketing for succeeding my career. So of course that everyone, I believe that everyone in their career just should achieve their success on coming COVID-19, because being a travel fraternity people, I am also facing struggling the same way that who you are facing right now. So that's the reason I have taken this little bit of seminar and say webinar and may conclude some solution. It will be useful for future tourism runners. And of course, it that you also come up with your value timings and spend here, and really thanks to you. And let's get started. Actually, today topic is how will you engage with your audience for your tourism business after COVID-19. So earlier days, you used to contact with your customer through my WhatsApp message or through phone call, or you'll go for from large gathering people where you can distribute the tour brochures, and you are spending and printing the tour brochures to everyone. So it was happened before that while engaging the customer. Now that everything is changed now after COVID or pre-COVID, before booking a tour package itself, even the customer itself, they check in the internet. That days are all gone. Some people will come to your travel agency on 10 to 15 years back when I was starting my career in 2003. That time, over booking for any flight tickets or any hotel accommodation, they used to contact and engage with travel agents in locally. And that time, the internet is not much more familiar than people. So very few people are accessing the internet, and they are getting some influencer will engage the bookings. But nowadays, everything is changed. Before COVID, also start from 2015 to 2019, that the internet has emerged a more thing. It comes under people more very easiest access. Whether they want to buy a grocery, whether they want to see a people, make people very connected with use of internet marketing. And later it comes under digital marketing. So they become very closer for any business. That days are gone. So for example, if you are buying any your daily monthly grocery items, normally you will go for nearby grocery shop and will buy it. Rather, in future, even your kids also, they search out for Geo Market. It's just search out for Walmart. You check the internet. Appa, I have seen that this offer is there. Why you are buying for this Tata Salt in the local shop? They are charging 20 rupees. I am getting 15 rupees. 5 rupees will be risk, no? So these are the days you can save the money that your child and your coming people are saying that. So before Corona also, that our thing is our travel industry is something different. We are a service industry. Rather that e-commerce people they may sell, they may sell the product different way. We are intangible product. We that's I know that everyone in the sales people here to get the check from the client, and till the end of the tour we will have a fire in our stomach, that how we the tour will be went well. Then only we will be digested ourselves also, because we got a lot of pressure starting from booking confirmation in when we have to process the visa formalities, we have to arrange for tour accommodation, we have to arrange for all things. So we this way we engage with the customer through email, phone calls, WhatsApp. So these are the engage modes we interact with our customer. But after Corona, So in my company also, after Corona also, I was collected so much of payments from the guests for planning for 2020 May departure. Unfortunately, that Corona comes under in the entire world. So it was affected from US tour into till Singapore, Malaysia. Once the international to countries has been banned for international people for tourists, so we were totally affected. Still now that people are engaging you for your refund, rather booking, they're asking for refund only. Am I right? What do you
Yes,
say?
yes.
So they are asking, what is the refund? Where are you, Sami? Where are you? Where are you engaged now? So, the client is asking me. I would say I'm in Singapore, I'm in Delhi. That kind of story is not applicable right now because everyone is working in home only. Everyone enjoying with your home food, and everyone have this is maybe some right time to learn the cookings also. So this is also one of the gastronomy tour in future. Let's come May in future also. Why not? So that's a topic that we are going to now. And after Corona, that entire travel thing is changed now. 90% of the online consumers are now they are engaging online only. Even myself also, if I'm searching for milk also, if I couldn't able to get it in the stranger, I will check out in the Panle milk, Amle, Pauline. I just check in internet only whether they are giving any. If you buy for 1 liter, 2 liter, are they giving any 50 gram free? Something we are searching out because we don't have money right now. At the same time, we want to save something better than nothing. Am I right? Because the
Yes, yes.
buying behavior has been changed now. At present the people are looking for the essential needs only. They don't want to plan for tours. So then in the situation, then how will you overcome and how will you engage with your guest and get more success in your business? That's why I've chosen this topic. It's of course it's more challengeable. That's why I've chosen three more people in my this webinar. So one from Miss Kirti from Sai Tours and Travels is a director, and one Mr. Bhagavan Santosh from Chennai, to a leading tour operator manager, and one more Mr. Magendran from Europe is one of the director and online. He's also running an online travel company. He's not competing the high-end people, but he's having a lot of customers, and he was working from this industry for more than 10 years. He's from Europe. So, so I just share some tips to you. After that, you can share your experience, and we'll start our discussion.
Sure.
Yeah, yes, proceed.
So this is a technique I have find out that after Corona, this is the engagement of audience through these channels. So people are hanging out in Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, hashtag, website, landing page. Maybe it may be few words. It be very new to you. Lots. Let's say hashtag, website, landing page. The thing is, you may be familiar for Instagram, Facebook because you will be chatting your friends and your colleagues, not client. But one of the major mistake the most marketers will do is they are using this test channels only for personal hangout, but they didn't utilize for business. But there is a beautiful element for business for Facebook, even that place called Creator Studio, and one more in Instagram is business available. Instagram business. Let's say LinkedIn. LinkedIn is everyone have a mind about that is like job opportunity, looking for jobs, that kind of thing. Only they will be reaching for LinkedIn. It's not. You can reach your target audience like a CEO, CFO. You can direct your US store directly to you. So highly professional people, you can attract at least 1 million people. Highly 85% lead you can get it from LinkedIn itself. If you're more engaged with LinkedIn rather than Instagram, Facebook, you can promote your high-end product. Let's say luxury segment like any FIT tools, you can engage with LinkedIn. So you can, if you don't have any account, you can. I just would recommend you just go for LinkedIn and make a new account for your business as well as your personal. You can send advertisement. You can reach wider audience. Maybe that we will discuss how you can do that. And of course, Facebook, it's very easy. Even Instagram, LinkedIn also some new to everyone. But according to age group from 16 years, now it's not 16, 12 years, people also aware about Facebook. They know Facebook very well because
Yeah.
that they say because earlier days we used to send our testimonial to your families, your ancestors. Say any Pongal time or any festival time, they would send a newsletter to them. Say some they lit the lamp, and this festival also they have a greeting card that time. In my college days, in
Greeting
my school
cards,
days
yes.
also, that day that credit card that card everything is gone. Now everything is changed. Want to say hi, bye. want to say I'm ready, I'm cooking, I'm leaving, I'm chatting, I'm hanging out. This kind of message only coming in Facebook. Rather, they're not looking for as a business. Because compared to this three till Facebook have a lot of audience. There's a one beauty thing is on Facebook, you can target 1 million people in one shot in one product. Let's say you guys are promoting Singapore, Malaysia. It's a one of the USP product of in Tamil Nadu, in Andhra, in our South Indian cities. So you can majorly target
Yes.
South Singapore, Malaysia as a favorite destination. Why can't you can try for this Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn? So you will get the new audience as well as you will also um, retain your existing customer, because now these days if you say, sir, I'm promoting Dubai tour for this coming festival on 2021, I have a special rate, sir, I have special rate. And if you call to anyone, they would say that, sir, I have an exam, I have school, I have something I have to buy, sir, I don't have money, where I go and get it from here. This kind of questions they will ask you, and you will be digested yourself. Okay, I will better I can switch off my call. How I can go to for call to action? How I will get sign up my people? So these are the things will happen. That's the reason I have emerged this topic. Before venturing into your season, you will get be more pampered and more get knowledge how you can attract your audience very easily, and how they can revert you to get your business back. And one more major thing is hashtag. This is one of the best tool for hashtag. This is some people might know that the beauty of the hashtag is you can target specifically to your target audience. Let's say if you want to supply, if you want to attract your DMC. Nowadays we know Singapore, Malaysia people only 5 to 10 people only we know about suppliers. But if you want to engage entire Singapore, Malaysia service provider, wherever the world, everyone might deal have the hotels in entire Singapore, Malaysia. Then if you make a hashtag with if you find out the special hashtag of the people, you can send a message through your WhatsApp, you can Facebook, Instagram, you can attach the name with this hashtag. It will go to that community, entire community will go. If you're promoting Singapore, Malaysia only for your regular customers, you can try for this. You can add for Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. Around, let's say 5,000. I'm not going more than that. 5,000 into 4, 20,000 clients, new clients. Apart from hashtag, in hashtag at present 1 billion people are there. Exclusive or supplier. Who knows? Who will contact you? It's a lot of new things happening in hashtag. So 20 plus 30,000. But you need only 10 people to run a group. Am I right?
Yes.
For arranging a group tour, you need at least 10 to 15 members. You
Yeah,
are
yeah.
targeting 30,000 means how you will get it. Let's see. And website, of course, and some travel companies might have or might not having for website. They don't know the reality of the website. The beauty of the thing is once you are sending the tour brochures, once you are printing for tour brochure is might more expensive. Nowadays, and people are in the home only. I am also room. You also in the room only. We are working a remote working. Why don't you make a website in very simple, and then you can just post your advertisement on the website. You can share to everyone, and this is one of the way of marketing. Even if you're sleeping, also you will get the business call. So, hello, Mr. Magan, Santosh. I have came to know that this two details I have found in your website. I am more interested.
Yeah.
Is the seat available or not? Then you can start your engagement. These are all the new things. And one more thing is landing page. Landing page is something but advertisement page. The advertisement in the page is one of the web page only, but you can promote only one product exclusively for making people sign ups. Our main criteria for engaging our people is we need one email ID or one phone number or one WhatsApp number. Phone number, WhatsApp number nowadays is both the same only. So with this two tool, we can make engage more. Am I right? This
Yes, yes.
landing page creates
Yes, yes.
this landing page creates that facility. So these are the 7 ways. That's why I'm messaging that these are 7 engagement of ways you can attract your target audience, and then you can outreach your business very well. Okay, let's start with Mr. Mr. Magendra from Asian Tours. Just kindly share your experience and how do you engage with your guests, please.
Hi, good morning all. This is Mahindran from Asian Tours. I'm from Erode, but I'm involved in the business for like Salem and then Erode cities. It's like a Kongu belt, and in Kongu belt I'm holding customer base. So earlier I used to deal with the guest for through my WhatsApp and then paper
You can speak in
insertion.
Tamil also, Magendra. If you want to speak in Morbi, you can speak Tamil also. No problem. Just go
Okay,
ahead.
okay. Well, I hope everyone knows Tamil.
Please.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah,
நீங்க
we
எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும்.
சொல்லுங்க.
ஓகே சார், இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்மளோட மார்க்கெட்டிங் எல்லாமே எப்படின்னா, லைக் மார்க்கெட்டிங் கஸ்டமர் என்கேஜ் எப்படி பண்ணோம்னா, எர்லியர் நம்ம ஃபோன் கால்ஸ், லைக் எல்லாத்துலேயும் ஃபோனில் பேசுவோம், தென் இமெயில்ஸ் பண்ணுவோம், பேக்கேஜ் டீடைல்ஸ் எல்லாமே. தென் ஆஃப்டர் தட் வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணுறோம். இப்போ ரீசெண்டாக என்ன பண்ணுறோம்னா, நம்ம ஸ்டேட்டஸ் எல்லாமே அப்டேட் பண்ணுறோம் மொபைலில், லைக் வாட்ஸ்அப் ஸ்டேட்டஸ், தென் ஃபேஸ்புக்கில் ஸ்டேட்டஸ் எல்லாம் பண்ணுறோம். தென் இது எல்லாமே அவுடேட்டட் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஆக்சுவலி வி நீட் டு கோ ஃபார் பேப்பர்லெஸ் அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட், லைக் டிஜிட்டல் அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட். ஸோ இதில் நிறைய கஸ்டமர்ஸ் நம்ம அட்ராக்ட் பண்ணலாம். பிகாஸ் ஏன்னா ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி ஹியூமன் எல்லாருமே மொபைல் கையில் இருக்கு. ஸோ எந்த ஒரு நம்ம மார்க்கெட்டிங் எது பண்ணாலுமே நம்மளோட எல்லாமே ஃபுல் அண்ட் ஃபுல் டிஜிட்டலாக தான் இது பண்ணுவாங்க. தென் அண்ட் தேர் அவங்க எல்லாமே ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். தென் அவங்களுக்கு ஈஸியாகவும் இருக்கும். தென் நம்ம அவங்களுக்கு ஈஸியாக வந்து நம்ம அட்ராக்ட் பண்ணலாம். லைக் டிசைன்ஸ், ப்ரௌச்சர்ஸ் டிசைன்ஸ் பண்ணி ஃபேஸ்புக்கில் அப்டேட் பண்ணுறது, இன்ஸ்டாகிராமில் போஸ்டிங் பண்ணுறது. ஸோ இதெல்லாம் நிறைய ஃபியூச்சர்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஸோ இது ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல் தான் சார்.
Mr. Santosh, can you share your points?
Yeah. Actually, while நீங்க பேசும்போது I'm new to this hashtag and landing page. Instagram already நாங்க பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். Facebook ஓகே. ஸோ நீங்க சொன்ன பாயிண்ட்ஸ்ல வச்சு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த ஹேஷ்டேக் எங்களுக்கு புதுசு. இது இப்போதான் கேள்வியே படுறோம். இது அதே மாதிரி லேண்டிங் பேஜ். ஸோ நீங்கள் பேசுகிறத வச்சு பார்த்தா இட்ஸ் நியூ திங்ஸ் ஆர் கம்மிங். ஸோ நாங்கள் இது வரைக்கும் ஃபேஸ்புக்கு, லிங்க்டின் அதுதான் தெரியும். ட்விட்டர் கூட நாங்கள் பெருசாக பர்சனலாக ஹேஷ்டேக் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோமே. பிஸ்னஸில் இது பண்ணலான்றது வந்து நீங்கள் சொல்கிறத வச்சு பார்த்தா இட்ஸ் ஃபைன். முன்னாடி இருக்கிற மாதிரி இப்போலாம் பிஸ்னஸ் இல்லை. சோஷியல் எல்லாமே கைக்கு வந்துருச்சு. நீங்கள் சொன்ன மாதிரி எல்லாமே மொபைல், ஆண்ட்ராய்டு, ஈவன் ஸ்கூல் பசங்க கூட அதுக்கு வந்தாச்சு. ஸோ நீங்க சொல்ற கான்செப்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் இட்ஸ் நியூ ஃபார் அஸ். பி ஃப்ராங்க், இட்ஸ் ஹேஷ்டேக்ஸ் பெட்டர். இந்த மாதிரி ட்ரை பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். இட்ஸ் நல்ல ஐடியாவா இருக்கு. தேங்க்யூ.
Miss Kirti from Saitus, can you share your experience?
Yeah, whatever.
And give some ideas too, because that we're all tourism apprentices only. Just
Yeah,
please share.
sure. And up to now, whatever you have informed about this social media like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, all are aware of everyone also. Like small people, even child also, they know everything. But just now, as Santosh told, the hashtag and website landing page, that is like a bit professional way, because everyone will not have those things, and that is what a new thing. And எனக்கு ஒரு டவுட் இருக்கு, இந்த லேண்டிங் பேஜ் என்ன இருக்கும் அந்த லேண்டிங் பேஜ்ல? அது லேண்டிங் பேஜ்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேஜ், வெப்சைட்டுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேஜ் வருமா, செப்பரேட்டா லேண்டிங் பேஜ் பண்ண முடியுமா? எப்படி?
Landing page is nothing. Actually, one of the page in the website itself. It's one of the new page. It's only new.
என்ன இருக்கும் அது?
That's, I will tell you. Landing page is nothing but this is one special website. This one special website is not only for your promotional things. Let's say if you are offering some, let's say for example, in Singapore, Malaysia tour promote பண்ண ஆசைப்படுறீங்க. So you will be posting one advertisement. Let's say one printing brochure print பண்ணாம அதே details you can post it in the website for getting your sign-ups, for getting your mobile number and email ID. அதுல மெசேஜ் பண்றீங்க, those who are sign up in this box, you will get 20% discount on Singapore, Malaysia. On the landing page, our purpose, landing purpose is nothing but if instead of spending for printing in brochures, that same brochures பார்த்தா கூட நீங்க brochureல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கீழே இருக்கும் please contact for email ID and phone number இருக்கும் while distributing the normal brochures. அதே டிஜிட்டல்ல the same way you will put it in your page itself. Once one more website, that one website you can be edited in several times. You can change a template, one template for Singapore, Malaysia. You will promote for some season. Our business is seasonality time only. You can you can promote for March month, April month for Singapore, Malaysia, one template for 1 month. After that you can change it. Thus template purpose is only for getting the email ID and phone number. We have to attract our audience to come and visit the browser. Rather visiting browser, visiting the landing page. So your name is also they will get know. You will get the email ID of passenger. You will get the contact number of the customer also. So 3 things you will get it from this landing page.
Yeah.
That's the main thing we need for. Instead of going to temple, instead of inserting paper in the advertisement, instead of going different places, just collecting for email ID and phone number, we can get it from landing page. Very simple.
அதுக்கு தான் இது நேமும் இமெயில் ஐடி வாங்குறதுக்காக இந்த லேண்டிங் பேஜ் இருக்கு. அதுக்கு 20% டிஸ்கவுண்ட் கொடுக்கலாம்னு
கண்டிப்பா கொடுக்கலாம். எப்படி கொடுக்கலாம்னா, yes, I'm telling you. Let's say you just put the profit. Let's say for example in Hyderabad இருக்கீங்க. Let's you are promoting as a Singapore Malaysia 65,000. You will be looking for 100 passengers, for example. But you are getting inquiry for this landing page. One more trick also there. If you are 2 type of landing page, if you need, I will elaborate 2 type of landing page. One landing page is something information, collecting email ID and phone number, and one more landing page collecting advance amount from, let's say, 500,000 rupees, not more than that. If you customer pay the money on 500, he will be engaged with you, because end of the day he will ask you, sir, I paid for 500, sir, where is the tour, sir, where is the discount, sir? So you have the number with him, you have the phone number, you have a cash also. So the customer is not possible. Within the note you can mention this is an advance amount, is not refundable. Now normally our all tour operators knows at terms and conditions. So that you just put the landing page in the key, you can mention that this is an advance amount, this is the main tour amount, it will be upgraded, not for refundable. Let's your choice for landing page.
Whoever will pay that 500 rupees, for them only the discount will be applicable.
Of course,
applicable.
You are targeting 100 people. I am giving 1,000 people. You need 1,000 or 100. Your choice.
Okay.
Of course, you have a deal with your tour operator. You also getting a constant passenger list and concrete passenger list. Instead of bidding to airline, you also make worried. No, you will have invest in your airline. You have to make advance payment for 30% or 40%. You have to make a payment in hotel also. But we never know the people will come or not. Most of the tour operators has lost the money before traditional marketing. This is a come to digital marketing. These are the tools. You can get some 500 from the customer, means that definitely the customer has to come. Then that time you are offering 65,000 means your market, that time other company will sold you 70,000. So you have a 5,000 rupees less for this customer. So that is a USP for your company also. That's why this is the one of the special tool.
Even though they not paid 500 also, anyway we can collect the name and email ID.
Yeah, of course.
After that we
can
retarget
yes.
the customers by mail.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right. We can
of course, ma'am. You're right. And one more thing, your company name is very registered to the customer's mind. Digital, that your company name, Sai Tours and Travels, will be registered to the customer. That's what the engagement is there.
Okay.
All right, the time has ended now. And thanks for coming and have a good day. Thank you. I'll share the video to you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. சரிங்கம்மா பண்ணிடலாம்.